Welcome to Skillticals. Skillticals is the combination of skills and practical knowledge. Skillticals is not only a YouTube channel. It is a complete platform for learning. Here we will provide complete software tutorials, practical knowledge, complete courses related to design field, and also we will teach about practical site work. In software tutorial section we will provide complete courses like AutoCAD 2D for civil, electrical, mechanical and plumbing, ETAP for power system analysis, Autodesk Revit for 3D designing, Proteus for circuit simulation plus coding for automation system. Also we will do many electrical projects like automation and control, power system projects related to electricity generation, transmission, and distribution, using new techniques. What we need from you: subscribe our channel, like the videos, comment your thoughts, share the videos with your friends. Thanks for watching. Wait. Don't forget to subscribe.